beef is illegal in Nepal, but people sell it. What do you choose, Ansel or Antisi? I give this 8 out of 10. The restaurant is called Khohang, Taste of Thakali. Currently in Samakosi, heading to Thamel. Streets of Kathmandu. My aunt from Hong Kong, another aunt from Denmark. Tesla. Super busy, so this is where you walk and there's no barrier between the road and the pedestrian walking path. Should have worn a mask, but forgot. And watch it. Heading to Thamel to get some SIM card from my aunt. Yeah. Gotta turn left. Okay, so Kathmandu is really polluted. What do you choose, Ansel or Antisi? Portable advertisement. Pretty cool. Main streets. This is the main Thamel road. Thamel. A lot of tourists. So busy. They sell beef here. This one go to better. So 14 मा हाल्दा हुन्छ हजुर 4 stories. Pretty good. Been here twice, I think. You can also have beef at this restaurant. So apparently beef is illegal in Nepal, but people sell it. So I believe it's illegal to kill, but people still do it. You can import frozen beef. I guess that's what they do here. About to go to eat Thakali food and forgot the restaurant's name, but I'm gonna show you. About to reach the restaurant. The restaurant is called Khohang Thakali. Taste of Thakali, Khohang. Let's go. Finally arrived. यस्तो थाले हो नेपाल आएपछि है नेपाली छ. So there's no buffalo, so I chose fish. छिट्टो मिठो हुनेछ यो थकाली थ्याङ्क यू नाइस खाँदैन हुन्छ हजुर घिउ धेरै हाल्दिनु ल घिउ मजाले थ्याङ्क यू So this is in Thamel. We ordered fish Thakali set. The restaurant is called Khohang, Taste of Thakali. सबै हाल्दिनु एक एउटा potato cauli, and you can also get seconds as much as you want. Apart from the meat item, you can get anything as much as you want. हैन मासु चाहिँ थप्नु पाउँदैन नि किन ग्रेभी चाहिँ थप्नुपर्छ ए ग्रेभी पनि थप्नुपर्छ यो लास्टै मिठो छ आलु भुजिया है यसको नाम अझै हालिदिनुहोस् दाल घिउ पनि थप्नु मिल्छ कि मिल्छ Give this 8 out of 10.